That's Strider. And my boy William. And my new two bonded foster boys, Earl and Bizu. And this is Hannah. Wonderful, sweet Hannah. And this is my girl Holly. Holly was a Hurricane Rita rescue. Holly. Hannah. Who's so cute. Holly. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Holly's a beautiful girl. Hannah. And Bizu. Handsome, sweet Bizu. Wants to get up and say hello to the camera. Yes, he is a very friendly boy. And there's Early Purdy. Early Purdy. Who's a good boy, Earl. And William. William. Yes, a good boy. William is a good boy. And Strider. Hello, handsome Strider. Headed to North Carolina soon. Good boy.